Okay, this thing is a little more heavy duty than I was expecting, but the biggest bonus of this brad nailer is it's compatible with the DeWalt battery. So you can use it so easily without having to lug around or connect to the air compressor. Make sure you're using a battery that's 4Ah or higher so that it doesn't cause any misfiring or messing up or anything like that. But it is super beneficial if you already own DeWalt tools to be able to be compatible with your new brad nailer. It holds 100 nails, so less reloading all the time and more building and getting stuff done. It does offer 2 firing modes right here. So you have the single firing mode, which is more precision, and then you have the rapid fire mode as well, and you can change that there. It's super easy to load. You're just going to push the little lever back here, pull this down, load your nails in here. It does come with some nails and some crown molding top staples, and then this is just to hang on your belt loop if you want to carry it, but it's pretty heavy. It might weigh down your belt loop pretty good, so I don't know about that. It also has the little light there. I'm not sure how much that light is going to help, but maybe a little bit if you're working really in the dark or in an attic or something like that.